Sudanese air defenses have downed a Turkish-supplied Bayraktar Akinci HAL unmanned combat aerial vehicle operated by the Ethiopian Air Force using man-pads. An Indian-flagged crude oil tanker has arrived in Gujarat, carrying approximately 80,886 metric tons of crude oil sourced from the United Arab Emirates. China has informed Pakistan that J-35 stealth fighters will not be delivered to Pakistan Air Force before 2032, following growing US-Pakistan ties. India is actively wargaming high-value leadership strikes aimed at disrupting adversary command structures, utilizing deep strike precision munitions. Hyderabad-based Lokesh Machines has secured a 9.5 crore rupees contract from the SSP for the supply of ASMI submachine guns. Yantra India Limited has flagged off its first international export of 155mm 52 caliber artillery barrels and critical components to a major global defense player. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited has laid the keel for the second and third next-generation offshore patrol vessels for the Indian Coast Guard. Maharashtra-based Balu Forge has signed a 5-year MOU with a NATO-linked entity to supply MT 155mm and 152mm artillery shells, with monthly deliveries of 40,000 units, priced at $315 per unit. Japan's Air Self-Defense Force has unveiled its Kawasaki EC-2 electronic warfare aircraft, with induction expected by 2027. Bharat Electronics Limited has secured new orders worth 1,011 crore rupees, that includes communication systems, radar warning and jamming solutions for the Indian Armed Forces. National Aerospace Laboratories and Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited are jointly developing a 150 kg class long-range loitering munition UAV for deep strike missions, with prototype testing planned from 2028. The drone is expected to have 900 km range, 9-hour endurance, and a 15 kg warhead for targeting high-value assets like radars and command centers. India is offering the 120 km range guided Pinaka rocket system to European nations, amid rising demand for affordable artillery after Ukraine-related stockpile depletion. Interest has grown in several European nations, following France's evaluation of Pinaka system and its export success with Armenia. The DRDO is also working to integrate the system with European command networks, positioning Pinaka as a strong competitor to American and Israeli systems. India's Virupaksha ASA radar for Super Sukhoi program has moved into hardware development, with prototype fabrication underway. Production involves Indian firms including Astra Microwave, Larsen & Toubro, and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Once operational, the radar is expected to significantly boost detection range of Su-30, multi-target tracking and electronic warfare resistance. A retired Lieutenant General of the Indian Army has warned that India's L1 lowest bidder procurement model is undermining advanced defense programs like AMCA by prioritizing cost over quality and innovation. He highlighted that while AMCA has reached detailed design stage with prototypes planned, engineer salaries as low as 65,000 per month raise serious concerns about execution. He contrasted this with high packages of private sector for high-tech talent, calling the gap a systemic failure to value skilled manpower. Today's top 3 comments.